Hey guys, Thunder E here, and welcome to the office desk again. And I've got another desk tour. This one's a little light, but I've got some keen updates. First off is the chair. I've got another office chair. Yeah, I know. This one is from Autonomous, and why I really like this is because this is the Ego Chair 2, and it retails for $299. This is one of the best cost-effective office chairs I've used. Really comfortable all around. It comes in two pieces to set up, and it's one of those chairs that actually gives you some really nice back supports, comfort all the way around. You can customize the height, you can customize basically the length of the chair, moving back and forth, that kind of thing. You can also raise the headrest and rest that. You can lean back. Again, as you can clearly see, my back doesn't go all the way, so I've got really good back support. It's great while editing video, but also while gaming here on my desk, which is pretty cool. And you've seen some of the things I have on the desk here. So I've got two PC setups. One is below. This is the Ryzen 2700X, but also I've got a new PC build, which you've probably seen by now. This is my upgrade of the Ryzen Vega to the 2600X here. I've got Deadpool sitting on. I'm pissing people off right now because we're playing Battlefield 1, but I'm just actually gonna escape and hold that for a second. Now, cool thing is also something new. I added this to the desk this time around is the new Radius arm. So this is the new arm, and this is from Blue. It's got the Radius here, and this arm is pretty cool. One of the best ones I've used because it actually stays where you put it. You can customize and tighten each of the joints. It's got 1, 2, 3 joints for you, and it stays wherever you position it to, which is what I like. So if I bring it this low, if I put it up, if I move it around, you can see how easy it is to navigate. I can set it back that way. I usually just kind of put it back here and boom, good for me to go. So which is cool. I have my SteelSeries headset here. Of course, this is the Actus Pro with, of course, the Game DAC. Got to get that audio. In terms of speakers on my desk, I'm using the Logitech G560. As you can see, they've got LED lights built into them at the back, so the RGB lighting to match your game. Right now is just on breathing. I've put them. They've got 2 lighting zones. Also added some lights to the desk itself, so I've got a light strip that's actually going to come on. I can use my Google Assistant to actually activate it. Let's see if it works. Okay, Google, turn on office strip. Google, come on, don't disappoint me. But anyway, it's a Philips Hue light. I can go ahead and activate that if I choose to. So go to my Hue settings and turn that on, and boom. There we go. Of course, I can customize that to match. It's matching my PC right now, blue and blue. I can match the lights. I can theme everything together, which is pretty cool. Speaking of lights, I have also another addition, which you've seen in some of my videos, is from Nanoleaf. I have the Nanoleaf tiles on my wall. I've been using them. Right now I have them set randomly, but I can actually pair them to Google Assistant. I can also use the rhythm controller with this too, which is actually there on the very top, right there underneath the Turtle Beach headset. But it's really nice. It adds a really different motif to the office, especially when I'm making videos, because you guys can definitely see that, and it's quite clear, which is pretty cool. But there you have it, guys. That is the office space. Blinds will be changing soon, so I'll give you a backdrop when that happens. I'm going to add in an amp to my sound system. There's a new TV coming up. You saw the last TV, there's another TV coming to the office, and some more new audio stuff. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to like and share this video. Favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.